Welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about content readability, a crucial factor in SEO that is often ignored. Whether you are a blogger, business owner, or SEO expert, readability directly impacts how long people stay on your site and how search engines rank your content. Readability means how easy it is for someone to read and understand your content. If your content is hard to read, people leave, and that tells Google your content is not helpful. Search engines like Google want to show helpful, user-friendly content. If your page is easy to read, users stay longer, bounce rate drops, and engagement goes up, all of which are positive SEO signals. Several things affect how readable your content is. Let's go over the key factors: sentence length, word choice, paragraph size, heading and formatting. You can measure content readability using tools like Hemingway Editor, Yoast SEO, or Grammarly. These tools give you scores like Flash Reading Ease score to help you optimize your writing. For general website content, aim for a reading level of grade 6 to 8. This doesn't mean you are writing for kids. It means your message is clear and accessible to more people. Let's quick look at the best practices to keep your content readable and SEO friendly. If your content is hard to read, users bounce off quickly. That tells search engine your content is unhelpful and your ranking can drop. Here is a quick example. On the left, you see a block of text that is hard to read. On the right, the same content has been simplified for better readability. Which one would you prefer to read? To summarize, content readability is a key factor for keeping your users engaged and improving your SEO performance. Write simply, clearly, and with your reader in mind. That is the secret to success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your content team, and subscribe to our channel. Want to dive deeper into SEO? Check out the full course in the description below.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.